आ गया, आ गया। दिल चुराने नहीं बेटा, दिल चुराने नहीं, एबीसी एनालिसिस देने आया हूं मैं यहां पे। स्टूडेंट देखिए, दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी कॉमन फॉर द इंग्लिश स्टूडेंट एज वेल एज द हिंदी स्टूडेंट। ये वीडियो कॉमन रहने वाला है, चाहे आप इंग्लिश में देख रहे हो चाहे आप हिंदी में देख रहे हो। बेटा एबीसी एनालिसिस है, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर लिस्ट है, 1.5 डे स्ट्रेटेजी है। उसमें इंग्लिश में बोलूं हिंदी में बोलूं, आई टॉक इन इंग्लिश, आई टॉक इन हिंदी, आई डोंट थिंक सो इट विल मैटर एवरीवन ओवर हियर नाउ। चलो, आई विल क्विकली एक्सप्लेन दिस वीडियो in this file. Now before you go ahead and start watching this video, I want you guys to download this file. Trust me, lot of efforts have been put in preparing this file, and this is one of the best material which you will have for your IDT preparation. Okay sir, please explain. Listen everyone. Now, if you are writing your exam in the November 23 or CS and CMA student in the December 23 attempt, this file is for you. This video is for you. ठीक है? Now, in this video, I'll be going ahead and talking about the ABC analysis, important questions list which you will be requiring, whether you have version 9 book, whether you have version 10 book, don't worry about it, Baba. I've taken care of it. Then also the 1.5 day strategy which you will be following one day before the exam, that also I'll be providing today only, because the exam is a war and we have to prepare for that one day before the exam. What are we going to do? That preparation also I'll tell you now only, so that you exactly know what is to be done before the exam. Done sir. Chalo, over here now this file you will find on rameshsoni.com. Baba, you have to go to rameshsoni.com. In rameshsoni.com, free resources, in free resources, CA final November 23/May 24 folder is there. In that folder you will be able to find this material. It's a 7 to 8 page का detailed material which you can download. ठीक है sir. Now, as I have already told, ABC analysis पहले डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. देखिए, when you go ahead and see this file, you will be able to see one important note I have written for those students who have version 9 Q&A compiler, because those students are like, sir, the important questions from version 10 book, how do we go ahead and find it out? Baba, don't worry about it. Those students, only those students who have version 9 compiler, Baba, version 10 compiler, you have all the questions in your compiler, don't worry about it. Version 9 Q&A compilers who have it, those students के लिए also I have gone ahead and given the important question, the corresponding questions from version 9 as well. Means the important question from version 10 are also given, and those students who have version 9, these important questions are also given. But sir, then there will be some questions which are not there in version 9. Baba, those students can go to rameshsoni.com. In rameshsoni.com, go to free resources. In free resources, CA final November 20/May 24 folder. In that, I have created one file, important additional questions from version 10, and this file is for those students who have version 9 book. So those students who have version 9 Q&A compiler, those students along with your Q&A compiler, you can take a printout of this file and keep along with you, so that when you're practicing question answers, you will be able to refer to that file. Done sir. Chalo, now here what I have gone ahead and done in the ABC analysis. Listen, I have told you every chapter ka name. After that, I have told you what is the grading of the chapter. Plus, I've also gone ahead and told you what are the important areas of that chapter which you can't leave. Means you should focus properly when you are revising. And this will be also the important areas which one day before the exam you will be going ahead reading and going for your exam. Okay sir. Then I've gone ahead and told you the important question numbers also from version 9, and the corresponding questions from version 10 also I've told you. So who have version 9, they can also refer to this. Who have version 10 also can refer to this file. Okay. Now if you go down, see, version 10 में you can see so many questions are there, but version 9 में some less questions are there. So along with this question, you have to refer to the additional question का file, which is important questions का file, which I have gone ahead and told you to download from rameshsoni.com. Free resources, CA final November 23/May 24 folder. ठीक है. So you got the grading of the chapter. You got the important areas which you have to focus from that chapter. You got the questions which you have to write and practice. People, remember, no one will succeed unless you do hard work. If you want to succeed, please put in hard work. You have to pick up your pen. You have to practice. We just have October left, and Baba, October also, today if you see it's already 8th. So we just have not even 1 month to go. I want you guys to pick up your pen and practice. Very important. ठीक है. तो version 9 का important question, version 10 का important question I have told you. In this way, I've gone ahead and given grading for all the chapters, important areas from all the chapters, question version 9 का important question and version 10 का corresponding important questions are given. ठीक है sir. Now for GST I have gone ahead and given till here. Now sir, after we are done with this, now Sir, one day before the exam, no, we want to first focus on A graded chapter, then we want to focus on B graded chapter, then we want to focus on C graded chapter. You know what? I've gone ahead and summarized also. This above wala table ka one summary also I've prepared, that these are your A graded chapter which you should first focus. These are the B graded chapter and these are the C graded chapter. It is nothing other than a summary of the grading of the chapter which I have provided over here. GST got over. After that, I've gone ahead and done it for customs also. Customs ka grading I have given. Important areas to focus, I've told you. These areas you can't leave it. Other areas are also important, but these areas, in my opinion, Baba, it's always an opinion, in my opinion, are very important. Then you have question answers from version 9 as well as version 10 book. Done, sir. This point is clear. Then I have given you a ABC analysis ka summary of customs and FTP also over here, which you are going to do. Okay, sir. Now, I've also given the list of the latest YouTube revisionary which is there, including GST, customs and FTP, and it's in Hindi also. Hindi में भी है ये, English में भी है. जितना हिंदी में रिवाइज कराया है उतना इंग्लिश में भी रिवाइज कराया है, जितना इंग्लिश में रिवाइज कराया है उतना हिंदी में भी रिवाइज कराया है. बस जो लैंग्वेज में मजा आए, विच एवर लैंग्वेज यू एंजॉय, प्लीज वॉच इट. ठीक है सर. उसके बाद the amendment video for November 23 in Hindi as well as English also I've gone ahead and provided over here the link so that you can refer to that link also. Then I've gone ahead and told you the link to download the amendment notes, and also in this folder only you will be able to find this file. ठीक है सर. You have to go to rameshsoni.com, free resources tab. In free resources, CA file November 23/May 24 folder. After that, I've told you important note. What is the important note? RTP for May 23 as well as November 23 must cover. November 23 का RTP. Those students who are referring to version 9, you will have to refer to May 23 RTP also and November 23 RTP also. Those students who are referring version 10 Q&A compiler, you have to refer to November 23 RTP because it has recently come. Done, sir. Along with that, amendments for November 23 as well as May 23 you have to refer. Sir, November 23 के लिए you have given the link of the amendment notes over here. Baba, nothing. For May 23, you have to go to rameshsoni.com, free resources, CA final May 23 folder. There you will find the amendment notes, statutory updates for May 23. You can download that also. After that, you know what? Brilliant video, how to score the 14 marks ka first question. This is a brilliant video. Baba, अपने मुंह मियां मिठू, from my own mouth I'm telling, it's a brilliant video. I've made a brilliant video. You will love it. This video is going to get you 14 marks. You can't leave it. Done. So here we are done with the ABC analysis also. I've told you every A graded chapter, B graded chapter, C graded chapter, important areas to focus, important questions to focus. Done. ठीक है. Now, nowadays I've seen one thing which students tell me, sir, before the exam, one day before the exam, you come online and you do the revision again. Arey Baba, what is the need? What is the need for me to come one day before the exam again when I've already given you the revision videos? I've already given you the revision videos 2 months before the exam. Baba, why do you want me to again come one day before the exam and talk to you and start revising the same thing again? In fact, you should do your revision 2 months before. Now October you should revise again, and whichever areas you find it difficult, those things one day before the exam you should be revising rather than sitting with me. आप खुद सोचिए, एक दिन एग्जाम के पहले मैं आपको बैठ के चैप्टर नंबर 1 का रिवीजन करा रहा हूं. क्या बोलोगे आप? सर क्या टाइम पास हो रहा है, मेरे को तो चैप्टर नंबर 1 पूरा आता है, क्यों मैं पढ़ूं आपके साथ? चैप्टर नंबर 2, अरे सर ये तो मेरे को पूरा अच्छा से आता है, मुझे तो सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम 7.1c में है. तो बेटा आप 7.1c का रिवीजन कीजिए, रिवीजन वीडियो ऑलरेडी है यूट्यूब में. इसीलिए मैं एग्जाम के पहले, one day before the exam, neither in English channel nor in Hindi channel, I am not going to come live and start teaching the everything again which is already there on my channel. Chapter wise revisions are there, chapter wise important areas I have told you. 1.5 day before the exam, utilize it to the most, to your need. You should know what are the important areas which are important for you, and every student के लिए important, every student के लिए what is difficult is different. So now when you go ahead and prepare, you have to prepare now. It's not required that one day before the exam I should sit with you and teach you again what are the things you already know. You know, 5 students are sitting, I am teaching one chapter. One student will be like, I already know this chapter. One student will be like, I know this chapter so well. One student will be like, I don't know this chapter, sir is talking again. Arey Baba, for all the 5 students, I will tell one thing. If you know the student, if you know the chapter well, forget it, leave it. Why do you have to revise with me again? That is why before the exam 1.5 days, I will not come online and revise again. Because बोथ द लैंग्वेज में रिवीजन, हिंदी में रिवीजन, इंग्लिश में रिवीजन, डिटेल रिवीजन मैं दे चुका हूं। आप पढ़ना स्टार्ट कीजिए। 1.5 डेज फॉर यू टू फोकस ऑन दोज एरियाज वेयर यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. The question answers which you, when you were solving now, you had a problem. Those areas you should be focusing. And any problem you have, any doubt you have, that 1.5 day, Baba, I will not sleep. You have anything, you call me. I'm always there 24/7. I've always told the student, night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, morning 4 o'clock, I'm helping the students. I want to dedicate that time to सॉल्विंग स्टूडेंट्स डाउट, सॉल्विंग स्टूडेंट्स, हेल्पिंग स्टूडेंट्स. लास्ट डे होता है, बहुत बच्चों को डिमोटिवेशन रहता है, मोटिवेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स. आई वांट टू स्पेंड दैट टाइम विथ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स रादर देन फोन साइलेंट करके रख दिया और यूट्यूब में फिर से रिवीजन करा रहा हूं. आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनी नीड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज टू फोकस नाउ, रिवाइज नाउ. If 1.5 day, if you think that you want to focus only on the important areas, I've already told you all the important areas which you have to focus. Pick up the revision on YouTube, Hindi or English, and start revising. Whichever areas you already know, skip it and run fast. If I am doing it live, I will not be able to run fast because I'll have to take care of all the students, and I've already taken care. You can do one thing, you can see my revision now, and you can focus and you can mark those areas which you must revise one day before the exam again. I hope I was able to make you clear why I will not come that 1.5 day and again do the revision. I will not do it. Every student's need is different and you need to focus on your need. Done, sir. So I have gone ahead and written over here 1.5 day ka strategy. On 14 November, when you come back from your exam, your target will be customs. So customs ka A graded chapter, because you will be very tired. What I want you guys to do is first finish your A graded chapter and go through those important questions. Every student ka important questions are different. Whichever questions you had done a mistake while practicing, if you had practiced, you will have those questions handy that okay, this question I had this mistake. So first you have to do the A graded chapter. Those chapters may, whichever questions you think you should focus, write and practice, no problem. One day before the exam also write it. No, those areas, those important points you need to focus and go. And then I know you guys will be very tired, but it's okay. YouTube chala dena. In the YouTube, watch my revision at least on the B graded and C graded chapter. But A graded chapter, along with the important question which you had done a mistake, you must watch it on 14th. 15th क्या करेंगे sir? On 15th, you are going to start with GST. Early morning, Baba, leave customs, no problem. Customs का सर सिर्फ A graded ही हो पाया, कोई बात नहीं. A graded से 15-17 मार्क आ जाएंगे, हो गए. 3 मार्क छोड़ो एक बार, कोई बात नहीं. अब जीएसटी उठाएंगे 15 तारीख को सुबह सुबह उठ के जीएसटी उठाएंगे. जीएसटी फर्स्ट ए ग्रेडेड चैप्टर करेंगे, उसके बाद बी ग्रेडेड और सी ग्रेडेड चैप्टर. लेकिन पहले ए ग्रेडेड चैप्टर करो, उन चैप्टर्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जिसमें आपने मिस्टेक किया था उन क्वेश्चन को देख लो. देन once you are done with it, please move to B graded chapter, the important question from that chapter where you have done a mistake. Then move to C graded and then the important questions from that chapter which you had done a mistake. Don't sit to revise everything from the question answer material. Don't do it. Only those questions where you are making a mistake, you should be doing those questions. Done, sir. Then on 16th, you will be first revising FTP. FTP, if you have already done the revision, if you remember everything, you can just revise from the chart book or your summary material. Then go to your amendment for May 23 and November 23. First do the November 23, then do the May 23. Very important. You can't leave this. And then you must watch this Let's Crack the Grand 14 mark ka video, which I provided you. Trust me, exam mein jaake, you will tell me thank you, sir, maja aa gaya. Trust me, you will enjoy this video. And the last thing over here is the RTP for the November 23 and May 23. That's it, everyone. Now, from my side, this was about the ABC analysis. Remember, there is no shortcut to success. Today, how much ever you are going to sweat, you are going to practice in the exam or 1.5 day before the exam, you will be more relaxed and you will be enjoying it. It takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of mentally you have to be very strong when you're practicing now. Trust me, we are all going to rock it. 1.5 day before the exam, I am going to be there available 24/7. 24 hours I'll be available with you. Study, revise, practice. Any doubt, you guys can call me. My number is 7259276368. This is Ramesh Soni signing off. Love you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. And also like the video so that it reaches to most of the students. Love you all. Take care, everyone. Bye, guys.